welcome you all to my alma mater from where I graduated 14 years ago. I'm sure this is going to be a great phase of your professional education. The inspiration, education and support which I got from Rajagiri has helped me in all phases of my life. And make sure that you enjoy this 4 years and take care. Thank you.
Very prestigious college, famous for its quality of education that it provides, along with a very beautiful infrastructure. Rajagiri has one of the best faculty members who are always present to help you no matter which situation you are in. Today, I can proudly say that Rajagiri has helped me to mold into a very wonderful person that I am today. Thank you so much.
The 4 years of engineering at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology have contributed immensely to my professional and personal growth. I believe the quality of an education institute depends heavily on the quality of faculty working there, and I've been truly blessed by having a whole lot of motivated and experienced faculty who actually laid strong foundations of engineering in me. I wanted to pursue a career in academia, and I was rightly guided by my faculty towards postgraduate studies and research. I can vouch that the infrastructure and the facilities that you would experience at Rajagiri is undoubtedly one of the best in the state. Apart from academics, Rajagiri also offers you a lot of extracurricular, technical and cultural activities. During my time, I was fortunate enough to lead the technical association of our electronics and communication engineering department, and we used to organize a lot of events, and we had real fun. So overall, I would say that at the end of 4 years, you'll definitely come out as an engineer with all the required skill set for a bright future.
RSET has always prioritized a student's curricular and co-curricular skills. And when it comes to me, I was definitely able to explore different pathways in which even I didn't know I had potentials in. Our forever helpful teachers, the honours program and the scholarship awards is a motivation for us to improve our academic capabilities to the best. Being part of various clubs like the Electronauts and the IDC Development Council, I was able to definitely improve my leadership skills, my creativity, my teaching skills and oratory skills through different platforms. The various co-curricular activities like Voice Hunt, which took place over a span of 1 month and had 4 to 5 rounds, not only just improved my singing capability, and personally, I cherish the event and the journey that culminated in me winning the runner-up more than any of the experiences that I've had over the years. Even the thought of our annual cultural fest, Bharatam, puts a smile on my face. From events like idea presentation to Margangali, the wide array of events has helped each one of us find our very own niche in the campus. So I wish all of you the very best and genuinely hope all of you discover yourself, both as an engineer and as an individual through your time through these 4 years.
In the time with the success story of RSCT is that of its EC department. Both established in 2001 have grown from strength to strength in their 19-year journey so far. From humble beginnings with a batch of 60 BTech students, today the EC department has a yearly student intake of more than 180 BTech students in 3 batches, 2 PG programs in VLSI and Embedded System and Communication Engineering, and is a K2 Research Center too. Over the years, the department has achieved awards and accolades in both academic and extracurricular activities. Under the umbrella of NAAC accredited institution, the department's BTech program is NBA accredited too. Well-qualified, experienced and dedicated faculty, as well as state-of-the-art laboratories and infrastructure have been instrumental in growth of such magnitude. The department has persistently laid equal focus on academics and research, and the efforts have borne fruit in terms of university ranks, patents, faculty and student publications, to name a few.
In addition to the academic teaching activities, the EC department is also involved in industry interactions and research. These activities are coordinated under three main research groups: the Communication Systems Group, the Signal Processing Group, and the VLSI and Embedded Systems Group. All faculty members of the department belong to at least one of these research groups. Each group works on research and publications, industry consultations, getting sponsored projects, and internships for students. The groups also help the BTech students with their final projects and the MTech students with their thesis work.
Signal processing is the enabling technology for the generation, transformation, and interpretation of the information from the speech, video, and audio and biomedical signals. Signal Processing Research Group in ECE department, in collaboration with industries, is doing research works and guiding students in the broad areas of signal processing topics like signal processing for telecommunication, multimedia, image and video processing and coding, audio and speech technology, sensor networks, signal processing for applications in biomedical engineering, and signal processing theories. The laboratories under this research group are Systems Lab, Advanced Resource Center, PCB Lab, and Integrated Circuit Lab. Our research group activities are: researchers are undertaken in sonar and radar signal processing in collaboration with NPOI and NIOT. Biomedical signal processing research works are undertaken in the undergraduate and postgraduate level in collaboration with nearby hospitals. Internships opportunities in signal processing area is channeled by the research group in all industries. As a result, students and members of our group are regularly contributing articles in international journals and conferences.
Communication Research Group is a group of faculty members from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, focusing on teaching, learning, and research activities in the area of telecommunication. We are primarily involved in 4 areas, namely 1. Curriculum development and delivery. In order to bridge the gap between the current syllabus and the requirement of the industry, we plan and implement add-on courses and skill development programs along with the regular curriculum. 2. Project guidance. We offer and guide student projects in the area of telecommunication engineering. 3. Research. Along with students, we carry out research in the emerging area of telecommunication such as antenna design and systems for 5G, etc. 4th, upgradation of labs. The first lab is Basic Electronics Lab. This lab is equipped with state-of-the-art test and measuring equipments to cater the needs of beginners. This lab is used for performing analog circuit experiments. Second lab is Communication Engineering Lab. This lab provides facility to demonstrate and test low-frequency analog and digital communication systems. It is equipped with communication radar kits, frequency generators, digital storage oscilloscope, etc. Lab number 3, RF Lab. This lab provides facility for the design and analysis of various circuits, components, and subsystems of RF and microwave applications. Facilities in this lab includes microwave antennas, dipole antennas, phase shifters, filters, spectrum analyzer, optical fiber education kit, satellite communication trainer, scanning spectrometer, laser power meter, optical splicer, 3D lidar, etc. This lab is mostly used by staff and students of higher semester of UG, PG and PhD programs. Lab number 4, Shannon Lab. This lab provides the computing facility with high-end hardware and software tools to perform measurements, design, and simulations of communication systems. It is equipped with latest software tools such as ANSYS HFSS, NI-LabVIEW, MATLAB, etc. Software radio platform NI-USRP available in this lab is used to construct demonstrational and experimental setups.
VLSI and Embedded System Research Group is one of the 3 research groups of ECE department. This group primarily focus on the design and development of integrated circuits, ICs, which are the basic building blocks of all electronic gadgets, and also on the implementation of circuits and systems on embedded platforms. This research group comprises of 10 faculty members and 3 research scholars. Also, department offers an MTech program on VLSI and embedded systems. We have state-of-the-art laboratory facilities and also industrial standard tools through which we are providing training to our students. This in fact enables them to secure placements in core companies.
We have a logic circuit design laboratory essentially for doing all digital electronics related experiments. This lab contains many number of digital design kits and different varieties of integrated circuits, ICs, to design and implement digital circuits and systems. We have an electronics workshop primarily used for conducting fundamental analog electronic circuit related experiments such as different types of amplifiers, oscillators, and operational amplifier circuits.
Hardware lab, which is stocked with various microprocessors and microcontrollers. We have a lab known as Shockley's lab, which is primarily used for training of master students, and this lab houses various types of embedded system boards such as Jetson Nano board, Raspberry Pi board, and also this lab is having different FPGA boards. And I am happy to announce that this lab is having an industrial standard VLSI design tool known as Cadence, which is a very sought after tool in the IC design domain. We have memorandum of understanding with various industries and also with a couple of universities outside India. With these associations, we are aiming to improve our research activities, and also we would like to impart world-class training to our students so that their employability with core industries could be enhanced.
Teachers and the staff at Rajagiri are going to try to make your labs and your classes as interesting as possible. Something that I can share from my experience is my LCD lab this year. So we used an online platform called Tinkercad, and my teacher divided our class of 50 into 5 groups, and from each group 2 students were selected to teach the rest of their group mates. So you can imagine how much more effective that is than one teacher lecturing a class of 50. So yeah, they are going to do their very best, and Rajagiri is definitely not just all about studies. There are different societies like the IEEE and IEDC and different interest groups, electronics, robotics, you name it. And so you can join in and you can search for what interests you, and you can put into practice what you learn in your classes. So there are going to be a lot of opportunities that come your way, so try to make the best of them. I wish you all the best, and I hope you enjoy your time here.
Electronauts is an association led by Electronics and Communication Department of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. This is an organization coordinated by students. In the past few years, we were able to conduct many technical and non-technical events, workshops and hackathons. If you want to excel in your interested field, if latest technologies admire you, then this is a platform you could ever have. So welcome you all to our family. Thank you.
The last 1 year has been a very enriching experience for me. ASET has provided us with not just opportunities to excel in academics, at the same time an array of opportunities as extracurriculars. I had the privilege of being a part of the basketball team of our college. we attended numerous tournaments across the state. ASET IEDC is another important organization that has been providing an entrepreneurial mindset among students. They conduct numerous events across the year. One event of importance is the Mega Mind, a management event that analyzes our critical, logical, and managerial skills through a series of group discussions and stress interviews. This was an immense learning experience for me. I look forward to more such experiences and wishing you all the very best.
I am part of IEEE. I serve as an active volunteer in our college as well as in the Kerala section. But when I took up my roles for the Kerala section, I was quite skeptical because I have to manage both academics and this in parallel. So after taking up, it ended me having a lot of things in my plate. But then I was able to balance them, I was able to manage them only because of my department and my teachers. So, and my experience with electronics department and the college is quite fruitful. Let me tell you one. I had to design a circuit for a hackathon at the very first of this year, and we require lab access. You know, at the end, the project evolved as the winner of a global hackathon. So this is how supportive the department is. If you are ready to thrive, the department is ready to support you. So they will support you in every single way possible, by giving you feedbacks, by giving you every possible mentors, and by giving you all the lab access required. So what else will you need for doing your best in the BTech? So try to do your best and explore the college. And one more thing I would like to tell is, you came to Rajagiri for studying, right? So of course academics should be given first priority. So first priority to academics, but then try to balance other co-curricular activities as well, so that when you pass out from the college and you turn back to your Rajagiri life, you will have a lot more colors apart from just having academics or books. So all the best and best of luck.
The teachers of ECE department have been very friendly, very approachable, and I've had the privilege to work with some great mentors from the ECE department. Now, I've had teachers who have motivated me, who have helped me in doing very good projects. Now, that I'm very much thankful for. I've also had the opportunity to be a part of the organization called IEDC, which has boosted my communication skills, my leadership skills, my technical skills, you name it, there are plenty of skills. It's that the greatest essence of being part of the organization is that I get to meet new people each and every day. So that I've been thankful for of IEDC. Now, you have plenty of opportunities to excel at Rajagiri. Now, you just have to look for it. I'm wishing you all the best for the future endeavors and the 4 years of your life in Rajagiri.
ECE Department of ASET proudly boasts of rich heritage. Today we have achieved autonomous status and MBA accreditation. We aim to grow further, utilizing our strength to the fullest potential, thereby taking our institution to greater heights. Upholding the legacy and moral values of CMI congregation, we confidently stride forward in our pursuit of excellence.